Planning for what happens after you're gone isn't easy, but doing it wrong can make things even harder for your family. DIY wills may seem simple, but small mistakes can lead to big consequences. Understanding the risks now can save your loved ones from stress, delays, and costly legal issues later. Think your DIY will is valid? It might not be. Creating a will isn't just writing down your wishes, it has to meet strict legal requirements. If it's not signed or witnessed correctly, it could be treated as if it never existed. That means your family, not you, loses control over what happens next. Don't leave your legacy to chance. Contact us today to make sure your will is legally sound. A will isn't just a document, it's a legal plan. And without the right structure, even good intentions can fall apart when your family needs clarity the most. Even a complete will can miss critical pieces. Many people don't realize that some assets, like life insurance or retirement accounts, don't follow your will at all. They go directly to named beneficiaries. Choosing the wrong executor or missing key assets can create confusion, delays, and conflict. Make sure nothing gets overlooked. Contact us today to build a plan that actually works. Even with good organization, estate planning gets complicated fast, especially with blended families, changing laws, or tax concerns. A will alone isn't a plan, and that's where problems start. An estate planning attorney looks beyond the document to prepare for the what-ifs, protecting your family, minimizing court involvement, and making sure your wishes hold up legally. A proper plan gives your family clarity when they need it most. Get it done right the first time. Contact us today to create a plan tailored to your family. Your legacy deserves more than a template. The right plan protects your family, avoids unnecessary stress, and ensures your wishes are honored. When you're ready to put the right plan in place, contact us